If you dey look me koro and you dey hear me whine, I be say you tanda gidigba. On top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Channel 98 on top of Go TV. And this is the Ogbonge television politics discussion show. As it dey hot. We dey tell you now say every weekday from 10 to 11 don't turn Christmas. Sake of say all of the action story where they come on smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We go carry them, drop them down, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk them the way anything be you for body, so that those who they lead our country go do the necessary thing to move this our country forward. My name na Ezo Gochokwode, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Samuel as they concerning politics matter as it dey hot.
Yes, now that beautiful Thursday now we don't carry enter on our domot on today's edition of As It Dey Hot. That Ogbonge political program where they do it with the information or the sunshine with different political activities. And today we'll not go different because today we'll go very, very hot as per se, yes, the issue. Now issue will concern Nigerians as a whole. Now one major issue in Nigerians don't they even raise voice on top of right now. And we'll also open our phone line with that time, so at least we'll go hear people's opinion, people's reaction on top of what we want to talk about today. My name never see change. My name now Nkubi and this now As It Dey Hot.
Before we drop to the topic, we must introduce our Ogbonge visitor. Sake of say, Naim Oyibo we dey call August visitor because you know they waka anyhow. This na person when we say in sabi book reach the level when we say if he open book now, book go begin to cry because he don't read everything when they inside book. Now professor, that is to say, he don't climb the ladder of education, reach the point when we say if he try do anything again, if he affect in sense. At the talk of Professor Nwokobia CC, aka Mustafa.
My pleasure to be here.
Prof, welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Agree to now.
Chikodi, when you look Prof finish talk, say if you go further for book, say you go fit. You know they hear people with they bear emeritus.
No, emeritus, they just add them to ram.
No, matter what, at least he go come from that level.
Emeritus don't be like when you say Mr. Emeritus don't be like when you say Mr. Professor.
If it come up from common sense, go nonsense.
When you emeritus now just like you say Mr. Professor. No, professor na professor. Prof, you know our tradition on top of As It Dey Hot. Before we start to ask you question, we go shake your hand, make you not be like saying a quarrel we carry come.
Agree to that.
Yes, our Ogbonge visitors when they for our house, make we just set the ball rolling. Our Ogbonge minister, the one that they call 3-in-1, Babatunde Raji Fashola, come out yesterday, come talk, say the issue about the new light money, when we say we carry put on top of our light matter inside the country by 45%, saying a very bitter pill when Nigerians must swallow. He talk say him na ordinary Nigerian too. Say may they forget the title of minister when he carry. And he understand how Nigerians they feel. But he can't break them down, talk say, make we check them. If we really want, make we repair this country. Considering the fact say, for 16 years, we talk say we don't invest inside power sector. But that power sector still be like waiting need life support. He can come and talk say, this is not the time for us to tighten our belt, suffer the kind of suffer when we suffer, so that we go fit swallow this pill well. Some people can come and talk say, yes, Babatunde Raji Fashola, the last time when we check, you know be doctor. No even can they use light and pill together. Say make una tell us the truth because it be like say for several years, one thing when government when we don't know them for this country and say there's sabi lie where. If they tell you say good morning, check your window. If you check the window finish, come out. If you come out, cross road, ask your neighbor, say, waiting exactly the time. Because government for Nigeria, not be me talking, I play with people talk. There's sabi lie where. Just like when Nkubi go stand under mango tree, they tell village girls them story. On top of As It Dey Hot today, we ask this question, say, this bitter pill when our Ogbonge minister say make we swallow. Now something when we say we go swallow, sake of say, whether we go suffer now and enjoy later. Professor Nwokobia dey with us inside studio, and he go chook man for inside this matter.
And that bitter pill, now he go swallow. In fact, you know where mama dey force pikin make you drink medicine by force? You go see. Prof, what is wrong in you introducing a program or the topic to Nigerians? You can't take, why you go extend that to
What is wrong in using an example when everybody when they have to understand?
Don't extend your example.
Do you stand under mango tree or not?
I don't.
Do you stand under tree or not?
I don't.
Do you stand under anywhere or not?
Don't,
He
which
said
kind
I'm
top is that?
climb, you know
Once
the-
Okay,
don't you stand?
Okay, you have to climb the tree, Abi.
Hey, please. I don't even go
Not
near
they use
tree.
left hand, they point me.
I dey tell you.
Not they use left hand, they point
I
me.
dey tell
Not
you.
in this case when I don't increase
don't
light
dey
money.
hot.
When would they defend the Nigerian people?
So now me the pill they good to swallow abi. Now me the pill fit to swallow. Why not use yourself and say example say make you swallow the hard
I go
pill?
use myself for example when I
Respect
understand.
yourself and respect the guests when they here.
They don't they hurt.
Okay, Prof, not verse. I just use example. I don't know why in the verse. The Bible talk and say the righteous shall fear no.
Hey.
You know as it. You know the righteous.
The
shall-
righteous
I
in
don't
this
know
case. The
how
only
you
righteous
talk
person with they here.
Not me now.
Now Prof and my humble self.
Why you don't call yourself near joy
My
righteous?
humble self.
You will say the last time when you go in church now Atlanta '96. Now you come here.
After we win the
After
the
Nigeria
gold
win
medal.
gold medal for
You don't do
Olympics.
you. Prof.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Not be you start am.
Whether we go suffer now, enjoy later.
Anyway, yes, Prof, you don't hear what Chukudi
Whether
don't
we go
draw the
suffer now,
matter.
enjoy
Whether we go
later.
suffer now, enjoy later. Because going by waiting Nigerians, going by what thing we don't see over time, right from, we could even bring and take her back to right from independent. We never for once say we get one steady power supply. Every government will come in, make their own promises, bring back their own mapped out planners that will take improve the sector. But in the end, you have to like say they can't do it in, they cover person face, the person know, you understand? You have to like say we know they see anything at all. So with this administration, what do you think? Shey we go suffer now, enjoy later? I been at the same washy kind of level.
You know what happened? This matter when we dey talk to, my personal opinion, be say, if you ask me make advice my elder brother, my big brother and very good friend, the Minister of Power, Works and Housing, Babatunde Raji Fashola son, if you ask me make advice, I'm going to say make them hold this tariff thing first, for two reasons. As me and you they talk now, the discos, those when they give us power, not be government agencies again. They don't become individuals, private individuals. And waiting they inherit from government, all the facilities, fit serve as collateral, as waiting then they fit take borrow money, make them go look for money, put meters everywhere. You know, when you put meters everywhere first, then you begin charge increase money for tariff. If I don't want to use light that day, I go remove my card.
At least you go say yes.
I know, sir, I'm not
at that
pay
point,
anything.
you don't-
But not be now when it be say about 60% of Nigerians not get prepaid meter. You can't want increase tariff. Now if you say anybody could just sit down for a house, come your house, look your house finish, it go write
just
bill
give
for
you
you.
figure, say, okay.
Then when he write bill for you, he say now be your bill. You know, now be my problem with the whole thing. Otherwise, effort when they make at fixing the energy sector, they're very wonderful. Because if we not get light, business not go fit grow. If we not get light, our country, economy not go fit grow.
Obviously,
If we not get light, we not go fit create new jobs. You know, so those are fundamental things. You know, but when we they go, you know, when we come in, we promise Nigerians say we go make everything better, change, and Nigerians they expect some improvement before
they will say they want their head, because I was going to come into
now
that.
be the point when Nigerians they expect. So all this wahala begin when NLC and the other civil society
LTC,
groups they give now because not be because they don't understand say we'll get to improve that sector, but because Nigerians don't they suffer too much. From when them born me, now hold on, it go better, it go better. So you know see what in Chuku they take start. It say government, if government tell you say stand, make you run.
If government tell you say
if government say make you run,
go outside, go check whether na true, whether na money.
You know, so I think say the time don't reach when what you go first do now to try to build the confidence of the people in anything when we they do. If we build the confidence of the people, then every other effort at conveying messages to the people will be understood. But as me and you they talk now, it is difficult to explain them to the Nigerian people. As me and you they talk now, the difficulties they too much for Nigeria. Some people never pay workers. And if you say make them pay for light bill, where then go get the money to pay for light bill? Difficulties there everywhere. You know, now those realities I think say our Obonga minister go look into. Because, you know, they always tell them, my friends in government and those who they send messages to all of them. The thing when we need, not first to build confidence, the next one not to engage the people effectively before any decision. Because you remember that time when Jonathan said he want to remove subsidy. Not be said to remove subsidy na evil, not be saying na Satan, not be saying na bad thing, but because they not engage the people well, it can't be difficult. Now, as we are now, they talk this thing now. People, when they do the bege against the new tariff, say then get court order when say, make them hold action. Make everybody hold on until they resolve the issues.
Yes.
You know, now they never resolve those issues finish. We want increased tariff. I think there are fundamental issues that we must, at every point, you know, deal with first before we jump into. Because if you want to make my life better, you go tell me why and explain to me why I must accept that pill now. You know, and they never do it well. They
Which
just
is the confidence when they try to that is they're engaging the people so that they go make them understand.
Yesterday I listened to one man for Channels TV when say now they represent the discos, the people when increase this tariff, people when get these power companies now. He say when they ask him, say what thing will happen, whether the tariff will come down or not. You know what he use mouth talk? He say it be like picking when they don't born. Say they not go kill him. Say whatever must be done to make people accept the tariff, they will do it. I can't say for this country, not be so then they do more.
Exactly.
Because as I did so, I will support everything the way it affects the Nigerian people. That be my first passion, you know. Even if I die, if I sell, anyhow it be, Nigeria comes first. You know, those when they talk say people must accept the new tariff, make them look and well. Because you get this popular statement when they use. You don't ask a man to pull himself up with his bootstrap if he ain't got boots. If he doesn't have boots, don't ask him to pull himself up with a bootstrap. The majority of Nigerians, I feel their pains because most times I find myself in such situation. You know, when you feel the pain of the people and understand what they are going through, you don't chisel new situations into them. You don't chisel information at them. You engage them effectively. You don't force it down because you're government. You know, so the time don't come make we understand what our people they go through. The time don't come make we feel the pain of our people. The time don't come make we remove from say, oh, our government must talk. If government talk, people go quarrel after some time, then go tire. The thing not be so then they do it. Not
Prof,
be so then they do it.
make we talk about fundamentals now. From what you don't talk now, you don't give perfect example of what people they call the need to put the horse before the cat and not the cat before the horse. Because you don't explain, say, if you talk, say you want to make person life better, you must explain to the person, tell them, say, now like this thing go there before it did like this. Now, what the situation we'll find ourselves now, say, these discos now, they don't increase tariff already with the template we already put down. NLC don't come out, they vex. Say this thing, they no agree am. And Nigerians, when they don't even increase their salary, whether they like them or not, the way things they now, by 45%, they must pay new light money. But we can't check the acts where establish the NERC. That one talk say, before you even talk about say you want to increase money, you must make sure say you meter everybody first. Now Nigerians they ask, say, what will be the guarantee? Say, okay, well, by this period in time, everybody go don't get meter. Because it just be like, say, the talk when this government, they talk now, or the talk when they hear now. Now, the talk when we don't hear before.
Past,
we will, and no action to show say that we will eventually be we will. Now, serious question be this one, oh.
You know, my Ebo Fashola talk yesterday say, wait to make them increase the tariff. Now say, make people, make them for fit support the discos so that they go fit borrow money, you know, do the
for light we know even day already.
Now, my own wahala not be whether light day or not. Say. My own wahala now, say, if you say you won't help them borrow, bank, they even give person when one start new business money. It can't be those when get facilities everywhere.
When you know, get big collateral.
When you get big collateral. I don't understand the story. And then the second part when I don't understand, now the fact say, if you talk say you want to make the sector grow, as me and you they talk now, they don't increase the sector to an all-time high, the generation from 1,000 something when Jonathan they come out to 5,074 megawatts.
True.
We never begin pay this Obonga tariff. So it means that something fit work. Why we not fit put the people first? Because you don't go feed the suffer people when don't they down because you want to improve the sector. Now why governments they borrow? Now why companies they borrow? Let these people borrow because the point is if you meter everywhere, you go find out say Nigerians go happily they pay the bill when you give them. The one when not fit, go conserve the power, you go they put in light only for night. You not go force person, pay what you enough it pay. And I think that the time has come. And I must say this, for everybody who is involved in this country, make them understand, say Nigerian people, body they pepper them all. You know, we have come through years and decades of hardship in this country. We have come through years and decades of pain in this country that every time, government has always made promises. After 55 years, see where we dey. You know, so when you tell Nigerians, say, make them understand, say, then go suffer, tighten their belt. It be like as me and you, they talk now. Then they talk, say, no money to pay salaries. Government establishments, National Assembly, House of Assemblies, across the country, government establishments won't use 30 billion naira buy motor. 30 billion naira buy motor. Money when they go fit take pay salaries across the board. They won't use and buy motor. Some they insist for House of National Assembly say they need the motor to work. The one when they use work before, not be car. You know, so the people when the governors must understand the reality when they face. You know, and then understand that when you say to the people that we will make your lives better, they are expecting better lives. When state government when not pay salary, they buy new cars. How you think say people go feel?
They buy a helicopter.
When the National Assembly, as it did so, then they talk say, Nigerians, they talk say no money, then they budget money in billions to buy
American spec.
When even people, when they build cars for Nigeria, you go ask yourself, say, why would they do like this? Every other country when don't grow, go to India, you find out say their leadership they use made in India motors. Because government not be show business now. Government not be the bank, not be P-Square. Now those ones feed they do shakara. Government na service. So if Innocent they build motor for Anambra State, why you not go use Innocent motor? If any other person they build motor, why government supposed
even encourage people to get the idea?
Government suppose they use what then they build for here to encourage local economic growth, to encourage business at home. Now, so I think, say, we suppose they look at those when they make meter, suppose benefit. The discos suppose begin go to those when they make meter. Make them make meter, put for everywhere. If they put meters for everywhere, even if then they say a 50% increase, Nigerians go understand. If you now get money to pay, you remove your card. Then you know you go there for darkness until when you want pay for the thing, you know. Now, so we suppose they do them. We not go they put the cart before the horse, because as Nigerian people they feel for home, we they feel them. As Nigerian people they talk, we they feel them. You know, the time to move this country forward now.
Prof, the way if you also look within the honorable minister talk, if you relate them with for instance, he said something. He said to talk the truth. Say this tariff. Say they don't increase them right from the last administration.
But they don't increase tariff 3 times.
Exactly. Don't increase them. So if they suppose don't increase this thing right from the last administration, and it just be like say we still witness the same shallow kind of power supply, which means waiting the minister he try to tell us say whether we like them or not, anyhow we not say them, me not accept that this thing we go increase them. So now make we paint it like that. So
now why then they talk good day now? You see, if you talk, because the minister they come from the angle of say
because
we get to make lives.
The
minister they come from the angle say we get to make lives better. If they come from the angle say we get to give Nigerians light. If they come from the angle say we get to build enough power so commerce and business go grow. That is the angle he's coming from. The angle when NLC they come from, they say, we understand what you they talk, but Nigerians don't suffer too much. Make we get light first and meter, then we'll go pay. You see, say the two sides get strong argument. Me, my own side, now say, as these two sides get strong argument, what we get to do now to hold on the new tariff, then make the people when they do the discos, when get the power companies go look for money, put meter everywhere, then they increase tariff. Now so it's supposed to be. Because as I talk here, now so I go talk anywhere, you know. the time don't reach for us to begin to think of how to move this country forward. And the way to move this country forward now to reduce tension. Because in an atmosphere of rancor, tension, you not go fit grow.
Very true.
In an atmosphere of trouble and cacophony, nation not go fit grow. But if you get peace, you go fit grow. So for those when they think, say, we must do them like this, to me, if trouble start, then not go fit. Then for those when they say we must cause trouble, it not good.
True.
I believe, say, the time don't come for everybody to sit down, discuss and well, make begin all day, make peace day, make we fit move our country forward.
Exactly. Prof, this one where you don't answer, to can't even read more book. They hungry me because me I believe say I don't reach the time say if I carry on, if it begin to affect me. But the way you tell
obviously, no, without even telling me, I know already say if you go any further, say they read any other book, definitely.
You don't say you're not supposed to even contribute for this discussion.
Why?
You say the time when the biology textbook where you use now black and white.
No. Why talks are not
black and white? Why you gonna talk say I explain something?
No. Now you take the woman talk and say if you read any further.
Now, Ababio of 1940-something revised edition.
Now me take my own talk and if you read
why you gonna emphasize on what I take so?
Further, say if you read any
Yaba
you
left.
just pam.
It go be Yaba left.
Pam. You know what the pam means?
Prof, make I don't want verse because
Vex is one vex.
No verse.
Vex.
You don't say Nami be referee for here now.
Vex. Prof talk. Me I reiterate what
Not
Prof talk.
be the new tariff, not be NLCO.
Now maybe am I the disco? Now maybe disco.
Okay, just right.
Why you carry your personal problem? They face me.
Talk.
Now me increase light.
I don't leave you.
Now me increase light.
About the one way you talk, wow, hold that, still hold that one.
Okay, Prof, make we move on now. Most of our ministers, they carry track record. And the track record when they carry come, now something when we say, Nigerians go look, consi say, yes. Before I go this break, I go ask you this important question. Make we look the independent power projects when we say the Lagos State governor at the time, Babatunde Raji Fashola do.
Down,
when if we use give Nigeria and say, make una check. We talk say we fit do this thing, we do am. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue with that discussion. Don't go anywhere. Now still ask Ide. I don't go complete am. Hot.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.